Our top story this afternoon, South Korea's daily COVID-19 tally hit a record high Wednesday, closing in on almost 2,000 new infections. Concerns are mounting as regions outside of Seoul are seeing more cluster infections. On top of that, the Delta variant now makes up around half the new cases. We have our Choi Min-jung on the line for the details. Min-jung, despite we must stress that everyone's best efforts here in South Korea, the fourth wave seems to be getting worse, not better.
That's right, Mark. South Korea has reported 1,896 new cases of the virus, marking yet another all-time high. All but 73 of Wednesday's cases were locally transmitted, and the national caseload has topped 193,000. 4 more patients have died, raising the death toll to 2,083. It's been almost 3 weeks since the capital region was put under the highest level 4 social distancing restrictions, but there has been no drop in the number of infections.
We're in the most important period right now. We need to see if we can contain the spread by substantially strengthening the current level 4 social distancing measures and getting more cooperation from the public.
Concerns are also growing in other parts of the country. Over the past week, 1 in 3 new infections were reported outside the greater Seoul area. On top of this, health authorities are also on high alert due to the rapidly spreading Delta variant. Last week, the Delta strain made up 88% of the country's new variant cases.
Yes, well, the Delta variant seems to be the driving trend behind this spike of cases, not just here in Korea, but around the world as well. But Min-jung, tell us more about the vaccine rollout here in South Korea. We hear that more shots have arrived.
That's right, Mark. More than 2.6 million doses of Pfizer's vaccine arrived in South Korea earlier today. They are part of the 66 million doses the government bought directly from Pfizer. Including those through a vaccine swap agreement with Israel, South Korea has received more than 6.7 million doses so far this month. Around 100,000 doses of Johnson & Johnson's Janssen vaccine will also arrive on Thursday. The government says Moderna's vaccine, originally scheduled to arrive in late July, will now be delivered from next week. So far, more than 34% of South Korea's population have received a first dose. Over 13% have been fully vaccinated. That's all I have at this hour. Back to you, Mark.